guys. So I'm really excited to be filming this video today. It's gonna be my first unboxing, and you guys saw my intro. I cracked open the packaging to my new purchase, and you guys already know what it is, obviously from the title. You might have been searching for an unboxing for this particular handbag, so it's no secret. You know I'm going to be unboxing the new, well, it's not so new anymore, but the bicolor print is fairly new. I don't know, I think it's maybe a year old now, but I'm going to just show you guys the box that it came in. So I did purchase this online, so I really do love the packaging that it comes in, the brown box itself. So that's that, and then here is the box. Here we go. All right, here we go. This is so beautiful. I love it. Okay. Yeah, so this is the bicolor black and cream. So this cream color, it's a nude color, but it kind of has like a pink tone to it. I do have the pochette accessoire in monogram canvas, and then the mini pochette. So that's kind of the whole idea of this. Together they make the multi pochette, right? The mini pochette attachment to this is, I mean, significantly bigger. And let's kind of compare the pochette accessoire. To me, I mean, they look like exactly kind of, I mean, almost the same size. So here's a side by side. And show you the bottom. So they, if not the same exact size, very, very close. So the inside of this is this beautiful burgundy microfiber lining. And this one is made in Spain. No interior pocket in here. Oh, the zipper is really nice and smooth. I've noticed a lot of the newer Louis Vuitton bags, the zipper is just not the same. So, but this one is nice and smooth. All right, so here is the strap. This is the leather strap. And here is the chain strap. The braiding of this is just beautiful. Inside, it has a flat pocket, just one flat pocket. It has that same burgundy microfiber lining. And this is the product guide. This is so beautiful. I just really love it. So now here comes the chatty part of this video. I'm gonna be talking about my first impressions on the new bicolor design. I'm gonna be showing you guys what fits, different ways to wear it, and some mod shots at the end. So like I said, I purchased this online and I ordered it. When did I order it? I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, last week. So I ordered this a week ago. So as far as my first impressions on the bicolor design, I honestly wasn't interested And granted, I only saw this online. You know, I like to shop online. Everything I buy is online. I literally was at Target with my husband the other day, and I just couldn't believe how much it's changed. And the shelves, all the stuff on the shelves, it's, you know, you see a lot of organic things now, and deodorant, they're all organic, and it's just really nice to see, you know, organic products come out on the shelves. And it's, a few years ago, I would get organic deodorant online. You won't see them on the shelves of a Target, but now you do, and it's pretty amazing. But anyway, I try to stick to the classic styles, but sometimes I do get hooked with the trendiest styles, and this is one example, but honestly, no regrets. This is just a beautiful, beautiful bag. So I first saw this print in person at the mall inside the Zara store on this girl who was checking out, and I was I was right behind her, just a few people behind her in line, getting ready to check out as well, and I just could not stop staring at her bag. It wasn't the Multi Pochette. She had on the Pochette Matisse in this same exact bicolor print. And at the time, I already had purchased my Pochette Matisse in the monogram reverse, and I love the reverse style. I had the Palm Springs backpack, which I had sold. The whole mini backpack thing wasn't working for me anymore, so, but I do love the reverse style, another trendy design, so, but love it. So I've always been attracted to the pochette design. I showed you guys my pochette accessoire and my mini pochette and then my pochette Matisse. Granted, the pochette Matisse is a completely different bag than the pochette accessoire, but you know, it's in that kind of envelope style, satchel style. I also do remember buying the Felici pochette a few years ago, and that one just didn't work out for me. I thought it was just too stiff and structured, and I couldn't, it wasn't as versatile as I had wanted or expected. Granted, it did have the card slot inserts or whatnot, but I just, you know, with the pochette accessoire, you can kind of you have a little bit more freedom as to, you know, what you can put in it and how, but with the Felici, I felt just limited. Which leads me to my next point, functionality. And that is mostly what I look for in a bag or in a design. Of course, the look, just like the hook of anything alone, will be the first thing to catch my eye or my attention. But overall, the functionality, versatility, longevity, whether or not the bag will be in my collection for the long haul, are the essential elements that I look for in a handbag. Which leads me to my conclusion as to why I bought the Multi Pochette. It's because it's versatile, it's functional, and I already love the pochette design, so I know this bag is going to be in my collection for a long, long time. And also, having owned the pochette accessoire, which is my everyday go-to summer bag. And another side note, I mostly wear this crossbody. I have the favorite, and I just use the strap to the favorite and I hook it onto this, and voila, I could use it as a crossbody. But sometimes I really wish that I can put a lot more things in here. When the Multi Pochette came out, honestly, I was trying to find ways to hook this thing to the bag, but no, not gonna work. But I just really love wearing this crossbody. In my opinion, the size of this bag just makes for a perfect crossbody bag. That's why I'm so happy when the LV gods finally created this magnificent bag and answered mine, and I'm pretty sure many of our prayers. Because this, you can wear it over your shoulder, you can wear it crossbody, you can wear the bigger pochette by itself, you can wear the smaller pochette by itself. I mean, oh my gosh, it's just a really versatile bag. So I know there is the monogram canvas version of the Multi Pochette with the coin purse attachment, but I decided to go with the leather because one, I'm not a fan of the fabric strap. Two, I just don't think that the price is right on the canvas multi pochette. For an all leather multi pochette, which has the versatility in its own right and durability, you're only paying about $400 more for this compared to the non-leather multi pochette.